This is a brand new 2014 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.0-liter V8. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, Bluetooth cell phone integration, power adjustable driver pedals, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, a multi-function display, cruise control, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Five Star Ford of Plano is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4400 West Plano Parkway in Plano.